Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here 2005 Toyota Tundra. I just performed engine oil and filter change, and what is remaining is resetting that maintenance light in the dashboard. Let me show you how it's done on this truck. And it's very simple procedure. Fortunately, Toyota made it easy for us to deal with it. So first let me show you the light in the dashboard, right where it is located, and which light I mean. It's the one down there. Now if I start the engine, right, the light is still there. That's annoying. I already changed the sticker right there, but that needs to be reset. So first what you have to make sure you are in the right form on that odometer, and it needs to show that odo, right, instead of these trip meters. So if you are in odometer, you can switch off the engine and pull the key out. And the only next step is holding this button, right, holding it down and then putting the key in ignition and turning it in the on position. Not starting it, but in the on. And this camcorder just played joke on me, I apologize. I did all of it in front of the camera, but it wasn't running. So once again, I was holding this button. In the same time I put the ignition on. The light which was there, the yellow light, kept flashing here in the display, showed all the zeros, and in like 5 seconds it was reset. I can show you, it's off. Right, it will go immediately off, it's gone, and the whole interval is reset. And that's frustrating about working with these devices, right, with the camcorder. Sometimes you think you push the button, it's running, but it wasn't, so I apologize for that. I wanted to show you how it flashes and so on, but the camcorder unfortunately wasn't running. But that's how it works. I hope it helps some of you in the future, and be subscribed. I have a lot of videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, my friend.